Hi, Henry. Hi, big boy. Are you having tummy time? Are you on your tummy? Hi. This is Henry on his tummy. He doesn't really push up at all. He just lays there. Hey, buddy. Yeah, there's Hannah. She's trying to show Henry how to roll over. Yeah, like that.
Do it. Come on.
Can you roll over, Henry, man?
Roll over like that. And you think my baby and my little sister, brother.
Yeah.
Like this. Like that. Brother. Do it. Come on, big boy. Baby boy, can you touch his back?
You can touch his back, yeah.
Hey, baby boy. Hi.
Can you roll, Henry? Hey, big boy. What are you doing?
Throw up. It's clean towel.
Yeah, it's clean.
So we can roll over on it.
Mm-hmm.
Wee.
Big man.
Ooh. This is fun to play like this. Ooh, wee. That's cool. This is fun to play like this.
Yeah. Are you talking, little man? What'd you say? What'd you say? Put your arm up by your head. Then you can push. Push. Push your head up.
This is fun to roll and play like this.
Yeah, I saw you roll. Oh, goodness.
I found one ant at the park.
I love you, Dada.
Mom, guess what? Guess what? I found one bug.
A bug?
One ant bug at the park. I tried to catch him, and I said, "Come here, little bug. Come here. Come here." I love ants.
You silly boy. Oh, cough, cough.
I can spray up my throw up on towels. I can't throw around clean towels.